Welcome to this tutorial on excluding a group in WordPress for the year 2025. In the next few minutes you will learn how to navigate your WordPress dashboard and disable a specific group using simple steps. This tutorial is designed to guide you clearly through the process, ensuring you feel confident with each move you make. Let's begin at the very beginning. Start by opening your web browser and visiting WordPress. Once you see the homepage, locate the login option at the top right corner. Clicking on the login option will allow you to access your WordPress account. This initial step is essential as it sets the stage for the changes you are about to make. After you click on login, you will be presented with authentication options. Select the option that reads Continue with Google. This method of logging in simplifies the process by letting you choose your account from a list of available Google accounts. Choose the appropriate Google account that you want to use to access your WordPress site, and you will be signed in automatically. Once you are logged in, focus on the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Here you will notice several useful shortcuts designed to enhance user experience and expedite various tasks. Among these shortcuts, look for the Edit Site option and click on it. This will take you directly into the site editor where you can make changes to your WordPress site. Upon entering the site editor, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find a small icon represented by 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal additional options. This part of the process is instrumental because it gives you access to settings that will allow you to adjust your site's layout and functionalities. After clicking on the 3 dots, a menu will appear from which you need to select Preferences. Choosing Preferences opens up a panel where several adjustable options are displayed. The interface here is streamlined for ease of use, and you will find that every option is clearly labeled to guide your next actions. Within the Preferences panel, navigate to the section labeled Blocks. Blocks represent individual components of your page design that can be modified or toggled on and off depending on your needs. In this case, your objective is to exclude a specific group, which is why you need to locate the relevant option in this section. Once you are within the block section, search for the option that allows you to turn off group. Activating this option will effectively exclude the group, ensuring that it no longer appears on your pages or functions on your site. This action is immediate and you will be able to see the change taking effect as you work within the editor. In conclusion, this 5-minute tutorial has shown you every step needed to exclude a group in WordPress 2025. By accessing your WordPress site, logging in with your Google account, entering the site editor via quick links, and adjusting the settings in Preferences under the Blocks tab, you are now well equipped to manage your content effectively. Enjoy working with your newly customized site, and thank you for following along.